guys! My name is Tarasova and this Puhля. Today we will cook very tasty pistachio cookie. This recipe from chef Marty Diaz. For the first step we will make Gianduja. For this we mix melted white chocolate and pistachio pasta. Now we will put my Gianduja in the fridge for crystallization. For the cookie dough we will need egg, icing sugar with salt, flour, baking powder, pistachio flour, butter, pistachio paste with honey, chopped pistachio with dry freeze raspberry. So for the first step we will whip butter with icing sugar and salt. Now we will add my egg and whip again. And now we will add all extra ingredients. Look at this texture, guys. Now we will bake 180 degrees around 10 minutes. It looks so tasty! I want to eat it. And now when it's hot, I will put on the top my Gianduja. It's really very tasty. Cook with me.